Alright, got this new camera going out on the Pitbike. Hopefully this isn't aimed too high up, but never used this before, so we'll find out. Alright. Alright, I'm pretty happy with how this camera's turning out. I don't really know how it's going to pick up sound. Listen to me talking. I don't know where the focus is, but I'm going to go ride around a little bit, do some wheelies, have some fun, you know. So, enjoy the ride. All the time. It's so annoying. Just 3D printed, so it's, you know, oh well. Gotta make one out of steel, I guess. Headlight bracket, by the way. I got all my controls right here. So I got my little turn signals on either side. Headlight. See a light in my hand, it's pretty bright. Of course, you need a horn. Always need that. Got a brake light back there too. Guess I'll go this way. So I guess this ride will also be a good test for audio, because we've got tons of wind, of course. I'm speaking through a helmet, so I really don't know if you'll be able to hear me. Plus the sound of the motor and all that, you know. I'm not very hopeful for how it's going to sound, So I've just changed the view on this from like ultra wide to like D-warp. So I'm gonna ride up maybe like a mile or two just up the river, stop at another parking lot. So I'm gonna clip this thing back on me, go for a little ride, see how it comes out, and probably run out of battery because I got like 25%. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. First gear wheelies, pop the knee up. One that I can never get, hopping off the back. Alright, one more try. Alright, gonna see how this footage came out. I got like 10% left, so I think it's time to call it a day. But yeah, hopefully it came out well. I should have done this at the beginning of the video, so we'll come back to the beginning. But this bike is basically just like a little Pitster Pro Pitbike. I wired up my own little brake light back here. So I got my brakes, turn signals. I also got turn signals up on my handguard up there. So yeah, little custom job. I got a headlight because, you know, it starts to get dark out. I want cars to see me. It's nice and bright, but it's not dark enough to need it yet. All the good stuff. Most important for my safety is a horn. It's loud, so I don't want to press it. But yeah, got all that. 3D printed my own little like electrical box where I did all like the connections and stuff, but it's just a cheap Amazon key. It just keeps breaking, so oh well. It's, you know, it works fine for the electronics, but it doesn't ground out and shut the bike off. So the whole point of the key is so that someone can't steal it, but it's still stealable at the moment. So whatever, you know, Amazon, get your free little replacements at Chinesium. But it was a cool little project, and I like riding it around. Got the little, what do we got here? A little 40cc on there, maybe racing carb. I mean, pretty straightforward. Got some like dual sport tires, but yeah, gotta make some more videos of this thing because some dude named Sir Ronster is like super popular, and all he does is have fun all day. So, you know, I kind of want that to be my job because who doesn't? But yeah.